What's going on, everybody? So in today's video, we're going to be talking about replacing, removing, upgrading your side mirror cover for your W220 S500. And little known fact, they make a lot of upgrade parts for this car. The thing is, you don't want to go overboard with it because then it can like make your car look tacky. So one cool thing is that Mercedes uses the Aero side mirror covers in a lot of their cars even today. The Mercedes GTS AMG still uses the Aero side mirror cover, which is really cool. So that's what we'll be upgrading to, and it'll give it that nice OEM look without looking tacky, in my opinion. So it'll be a nice facelift for this car because this car is like it's got a timeless look. So it fits in almost any year. And so by adding, upgrading to the Aero side mirror covers is just going to make it look that much nicer, that much newer and cleaner without, just like sticking out. And so I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Also, this rubber seal right here that goes between the side mirror cover and the body of the car, check that and see if it's broken, cracked, brittle. If it is, then I have a video for you to check out. Make sure you watch that video. I'll put a link in the description below, and it'll show you how to replace this rubber seal, and it'll just make your car look that much cleaner, that much nicer. And it'll really complement the new side mirror cover. And it's something that you want to do since you already have the side mirror cover off. You already got that project going, so you might as well just do two things at once, or I guess, knock out both projects at one time. So that'll be really cool. Be sure to check out that video. I'll put a link in the description below. With all that said, let's get started. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is use our toggle switch there and activate the left or driver side mirror. And then we're going to move our mirror so that we position it so that it's to the inside and down. And this will give us the best access to that clip right there, which is what we'll need to press in order for our side mirror cover to come off. So we'll use a thin screwdriver and then we'll go ahead and press it and remove it just like that. So now your side mirror cover is removed. It's that simple. And now what we're going to do is we're going to install some new upgraded side mirror covers, which are the Aero side mirror covers. And these are the carbon fiber ones. This is a 3K weave. And so you can see it comes with the, kind of night light, security light, I guess you could say. That's the Aero blinker design, which you'll see on a lot of the newer Mercedes, which is really cool. So that'll be a nice facelift for the car. And you can see right there, the weave is just really nice. It's high quality weave there. It has the gloss coating already. Pretty much it comes ready, plug and play out of the box. So you don't need to do anything other than just connect the wires together and put it on the car and you're good to go. So that's really cool. And you can see the edges is really nice. It's the paint is really good paint. And the coating, the clear coating is thick. So, it's got to offer lots of protection there. So really cool. Okay, so here's the new side mirror cover. And as you can see, it's carbon fiber. So I went with the carbon fiber. I think it looks just way nicer. It really goes with the dark gray. And it'd just be a nice touch. And I like carbon fiber. It's kind of the theme that's running throughout this car. And so this is just be like one more addition to that. So you can see here, let's get a nice close up. So you can see that this will be the new wire right here that'll get plugged in and everything. And this wire right here, we'll just go ahead and plug into the existing OEM connection. So, and then from there, you can see that it also has the security light for when you turn on your alarm system and whatnot. So that's really cool. They thought about that. And yeah, so we're going to go ahead and get this plugged in. Okay, so one thing I want to point out is this is the OEM connector. And as you can see, it's weather sealed really well. And it's one thing that the aftermarket side mirror cover just doesn't have is, I would say it, the weather sealing, as you can see right there, that's pretty much it. And now, is it a deal breaker? No. Because the side mirror cover is, it's still in a well protected area. Chances of water getting in there is very slim unless you deliberately pour water. Excuse me. Unless you deliberately pour water in there. So, but what I decided to do, just in case if you guys are interested, this is just something I came up with, is to add an O-ring. And pretty much you would just slide the O-ring over the connector like this, and then go ahead and put your connector into the port, and then connect it. And then after that, just go ahead and seat the O-ring inside. Excuse me. And you can use some tweezers there. And then here, I'm just using my hands to seat the connector, and then afterwards I'll get a screwdriver, but you can definitely use a flathead screwdriver. And once everything is connected, that is it. Just make sure that it snaps in place, and you'll hear that snap, and you're good to go. Okay, everybody, so we're done. We're finished. Check this out. This is super cool, super nice. It just adds that nice facelift to the car. It looks super cool. The carbon fiber just really goes well with the dark gray. I really like it. This is a company out of Taiwan. They're putting out great stuff. I'll definitely put a link in the description below to where you can get this. This is 3K carbon fiber. They make a 6K carbon fiber, but this is the 3K. So yeah, I mean, it's amazing. It's super nice fitment. Everything looks great. So you know what? Let's test it out and see if it works. There you go. Beautiful. Yep. Oh, and one cool thing, if you guys haven't noticed, kind of like an Easter egg or a hidden gem with the W220 S-Class, is that if you just tap the blinker and you don't hold it or set it, it'll blink 3 times and then it'll turn off. So if you want to just do a quick lane change and you don't want to hold your blinker down in case you might forget, just go ahead and tap it and it'll do 3 blinks. So that's the tip for today. Thanks for watching this video. Really appreciate it. And be sure to like and subscribe. Until then, see you guys next time.